Class 3 English Unit 10 The Sheep of the Desert Explanation in Mizo. Lion roaring. Who are you? Sakay chuanin sham hum chung chuanin tunge ini atia. Camel looking down at the lion. I am the sheep of the desert. Who are you? Sanghong say chuanin chuk en pa chuanin thaler long kani hi tunge ini ative thunga. Lion chuanin, don't you know me? I'm the king of the forest. Sakay baknei chuanin, min shelawem ni ram hnuai lal kani hi atia. Camel, are you? Oh, I see. Chuti chuan sanghong sei chuan. Ini mo? Oh, kashithia me atia. Lion, frowning, you call yourself the sheep of the desert. How can you be a sheep? You are an animal. Lion chuan tle malung oilo lung hnwal deuh khanin. Nang ma le nang ma hi sheep of the desert. Thaler long in tia. Ingtin nge long ini theyang ramsa alom ini alo tia. Camel chuan nui chungin. So I am, but people call me the sheep of the desert. I can walk across the desert even on a hot afternoon. The sand burns, but it does not bother me. Okay, himo mi te hianin thaler long min tia achan chu chanu ni sa taka po thaler hi vaivut hi kakal tlang theya vaivut te chu sa hle ma sengin ke chu min ti boy mi alo min ti na mi alo ni atiani lion I can't believe it ko oi theilo ani atiani sakei baknei khan camel can you walk across a desert sanghong sei chuanin thaler ikal tlang thayem ti na han zot let velia sakei baknei ne na chuan sakei baknei chuanin blinking mo lion blinking mit an khafaka no I can't but I can run in the forest theilave ma sengin ram hnoya hianin katlan thayani atiani camel with disdain. Every animal can do that. I alone can run on sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. Camille chuanin, sanghong sei chuanin, tlema sakei baknei chu phulo, lalni phulo tipa dewa en pa chuanin mo. Ramsa zong chungte chuan, ramsa zong in chungte chuan ti thei vekalom, keipo in thalera chuanin, vaivuta chuanin, thui takatlan theya. Darkar khata kilometer somni panga katlan theilom atiani lion wonderingly sakai baknei chuan makti taka ngai to chungin how can you do that engtin ngei ti thei atia camel look at my feet they are thick and padded the hot sun doesn't burn them sanghong sei chuan ti hian atia ka ke hian en la an cha in an in tuam cha mo paret kan ti chuanin cha taka dup enge thil dup emo in tuam tha soina khani tani chuanin heta hianin hemithon thuai ro chuanin sanghong sei hianin a ke hi a tha a thil sa ten hei nisa te le thil sa pon akang mei lawa vutsa po kal thei ati na khani tani then ka ke hi en la an cha in anin tuam tha a chu wangin nisa po in ati kang lawani atiani lion my feet are padded too thorns don't prick them and I can run 80 kilometers an hour atiani lion chuanin keipo ka ke hi an cha thave thawa ling te hianin achun lova darkar khata kilometer somriat ka kal theini atiani camel that is true you can run 80 kilometers an hour in the forest but can you run even a mile on the hot sand yani sakei bak nei thu soi chu ti hian sanghong sei chuan lo chang ve le a o adikalom darkar khata kilometer somriat ram hnoya choni tlan theya ma sengin vaivut sa chuan mel khat poikal theidon emni le alo tia lion chuan uh, maybe not but alo tiani mo sakai baknei chuan tian alo chang le ta aka theilo mai theya ma se atiani camel interrupting and you can't live without water for a week can you alo ti ve le a sakai baknei tong tur lai chu sakong se chuan alo ti buai ve le a alo tong khala a chuan a tuitel lovin kar khat po i om theilo ani lo mi alo tia lo zot ve le a lion chuan no I can't I need water every day but don't tell me you can do without water chuan sakai baknei chuanin ai theilo ve ni tin tui ke inanga ya ni tin tui ka mamu ani masengin tuitel lawin rei taki om the ni ti min han shil big su atiani sta chuanin camel yes I can there are no rivers or lakes in a desert but that does not bother me I can drink 200 bottles of water at a time alo tiani sakei baknei chu sanghong sei chuan ti hian alo changa o ka theilom thalera chuanin luite dilte omlova ma se chu chuan min ti boy velawa voi khata hianin tui bottle zahni hi ka in zo vek theiani atiani lion really you must have a big stomach sakei baknei chuanin tak tak mo pumpui nei lian om hle meya alotia camel proudly yes I have a big stomach I can store water for a week I can store food for 2 weeks even sakei baknei chu sanghong se chuanin indi thei tak hian alo changa o pumlian tak kani ilom tui hi kar khat chung ka da tha theya chuan cho te hi kar ni vel ka da tha thei bokani atiani lion showing a lot of interest do you store food in your stomach lion chuanin makti tak le ngai sak tak mo phur tak she chak tak chuan ti hian han zot le a I cho chu ipuma mi ida that atia camel chuanin no I don't I store it in my hump I eat a lot of food at one time then I don't need to eat for a fortnight a nilave helai ka hnung pong a hian ka da tha a chuanin voi khata cho hi ka I chawa chuti chuanin kar ni vel min dai thin ni kar ni vel kha cho I ka ngai to ngai lo ani atiani lion that's interesting but what do you eat lion chuanin chu chu thil mak tak le shat danglam takani chumle ima se enge I thin ati velia camel I eat leaves but there are no trees in desert camel chuanin na te ke I thina ma sengin thalera he chuan thingkung velom velova atia lion chuanin what do you eat there chulai thalera chuanin enge I ati velia camel there are thorny bushes in the desert I eat the thorns the thorns don't prick my tongue my thick tongue atiani sanghong sei chuanin thalera chuanin hnim hling nei ha pui pui a oma chung chu a hling ho chu ke I thina a hling zum tak tak chuan ka lei hi a chhun na ve ngai lo ani atiani lion how funny sakai baknei chuan avakhan nui zathlak em atiani chuan camel chuanin Mr. King of the forest please come with me to the desert ram hnuai te lalpa khongai takin thalera min local pui ve ta che local ve ta che karwalin atia lion chuan no I'd better not I can't walk on burning sand I can't store food and water and I can't eat thorns goodbye and good luck Mr. Ship of the desert ai kalau ka athazo ka nge vai vut sataka te chuang ka kalve theilova chole tuite ka da tha ve theilawa lingte ka ei thei ve lawa mang tha in du sakna ka hlana che Mr. Ship of the Desert ti in alo changa chuanin anin mang tha ta ani new words Ship of the Desert thaler long Miles Male King of the Forest Ramhnuai te lalpa Sand Vaivut Thorns Hling